chocolate zucchini cake. I am cranking out the videos today, so I am not washing anything. Right there is my cutting glove. Now, this is the greatest thing ever. My mom got this for me. Thank you, Mom. And don't scrape your fingers grating or cutting if you're a klutz like me in the kitchen. All right, there we go. Now, this thing can just go straight into the washer, which is great. All right, chocolate cake mix. And my oil. And my milk. Now, because zucchini is super watery, I do slightly less milk. The recipe is in the description below. And then my eggs, and I do milk instead of water. You can use water if you want. Then, if you want, you don't have to, you can add chocolate chips. Now, I use the mini chocolate chips, and I only use about 1/3 of a bag because they're smaller. You get a chocolate chip in every bite. Just stir that in. Got my trusty pan my mom gave me when I first moved out on my own. 50 years old. It's always been faithful. All right, we're gonna pour that in. All right, recipe is in the description below. We're gonna throw this in the oven and bake it. Okay, here's my double chocolate zucchini cake. Oh, yum. It looks delicious. Okay. Oh, yum. There we go. Do we have Mike come and taste test a bite?
Oh, if I must.
Okay, here we go.
I can't believe you want me to eat chocolate. What?
I know.
Am I just gonna eat it like it's a sandwich?
Yep. You're just gonna go for
That's
it.
how you eat cake?
Yes.
Let him eat cake.
Let him eat cake. Is it good?
Mm-hmm. This is really delicious.
Yay.
Super moist and chocolatey. And I'll tell you what, I used to never want to eat it because I thought, ooh, it's gonna taste like zucchini. No, it doesn't taste like it at all.
It just adds moistness to it.
It's a totally moist chocolate cake.
Yum. Okay, I got a zucchini here from my friend. Thank you, Lois. And I'm going to make zucchini boats. So I'll just take and go partially down to take the seeds out. Just like so. Now, you can save this for zucchini bread if you want. You're making it for family members who aren't on a diet, okay? All right, so a little bit of oil. And my seasoned salt. Take pepper. This one is also from my friend. onion. Some ham that I need to use up, so I'm going to use ham instead of pepperoni, but you can use pepperoni, beef. You can have it just all vegetarian if you want. Flatten my bottom so it sits better there. Then tomato from the garden. Got a little bit of sun scald, but that's okay. Okay. And then I'm gonna go to cheese. Now, if you're not dairy free, go ahead and use just regular cheese. It's much cheaper, so please do that. But I am dairy free, so you can also use dairy free cheese also if you want. I have some in the fridge, but I just need to get this used up, so. All right, and then I have some beets from my friend also. I think the birds ate the seeds off of mine, so I did not get any this year, but I love beets. Try again next year. Just go ahead and peel it. All right, now for those of you wondering, this took me about 6 minutes to make. No, you shouldn't cut on your Silpat, but this one's already ruined, so I'm just gonna go ahead and make it easy. Little oil. And salt. All right, so now we're gonna put this in the oven at 400 degrees. And we're going to let all of this roast. Yum. Okay, here is my roasted beets and my zucchini boats right there. I'm making zucchini sauté. This recipe is on our website, livingonadime.com. The link is in the description below. This is a super, super easy recipe. Get you in and out of the kitchen quick, and an easy dessert that just takes like 5 minutes to make. So I'm going to take my zucchini and I'm going to cut it up into smallish pieces. Now you can leave it in bigger chunks if you want. Then we're going to take our onion. You just want thin slices. I don't have any garlic, so when I don't have garlic, I just use good old garlic powder. And sprinkle in my seasoned salt, which has everything in it. You can just do salt and pepper if you like. That's how the recipe is. And then a little bit of thyme. Now we're just going to saute this until it's cooked through. I like my vegetables soft, so I put the lid on for just 1 minute or so. And there you have delicious zucchini sauté. Oh, yum.